Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the source file and destination paths. Make sure you use absolute or mapped network paths so Uipath can resolve them. Once confirmed, add the Uipath. System. Activities package if move file is not available, then drag move file into a sequence or flowchart. Assign the path input to your source string variable and to the destination path. Also set overwrite to true if you expect replacements. These first steps establish the activity and avoid path resolution errors later. Next, focus on correct configuration and robustness. Create string variables for path so you can build them dynamically and use Boolean for overwrite. For cross-machine reliability, construct destinations using path, combine, or environment. Special folder rather than concatenating strings. Set continue on error to control exception flow and timeout MS where long I/O may hang. Once done, add try catch or invoke logging around the move file to capture exceptions and success messages. To finish, test the activity with a small non-critical file and confirm the file actually moved using file. Exists at the destination. Make sure the target file is not locked and that the robot account has right permissions. These are the most common failures. If an error occurs, catch the exception, log exception, message and stack, and consider a retry scope for transient network issues. Finally, keep backups or a copy step before moving in production so you can revert quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.